In 2026, something unbelievable is happening across America. Regular people are quietly building online income streams with AI, while millions of others are still stuck trading time for money. A college student in Texas is using ChatGPT to run a digital marketing side hustle that earns more than her part-time job. A truck driver in Florida is generating passive income from AI-created ebooks while sleeping. A stay-at-home dad in California built an automated YouTube channel using artificial intelligence and now makes more from ad revenue than he used to earn at his corporate job. And here's the crazy part. Most Americans still have no idea how fast this shift is happening. The internet economy is changing right in front of us, and artificial intelligence is becoming the biggest financial opportunity since the rise of social media and smartphones. If you understand how this new system works early, the financial upside could completely change your future. For years, people believed making money online required expensive equipment, advanced technical skills, or years of experience. But AI completely flipped that idea upside down. In 2026, people are launching businesses, creating content, automating tasks, and generating income faster than ever before, because artificial intelligence now handles work that used to take entire teams. What once required graphic designers, copywriters, video editors, coders, and marketers can now be done by one person sitting at home with a laptop and Wi-Fi. That's why AI has become one of the biggest conversations in personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship across the United States. The average American household is already feeling the pressure of inflation, rising rent, higher insurance premiums, expensive groceries, and credit card debt. Millions of people are searching for extra income outside their 9-to-5 jobs because traditional salaries are struggling to keep up with the cost of living. At the same time, AI tools are making online business models easier, faster, and cheaper to start. This combination created the perfect environment for an online income explosion. Americans are realizing they no longer need permission from corporations to increase their income. They can build digital assets from home using artificial intelligence. One of the biggest ways Americans are using AI to make money is through faceless YouTube automation channels. These channels don't require the creator to appear on camera. AI writes the scripts, AI generates voiceovers, AI edits the videos, and AI even creates thumbnails. Entire channels focused on finance, luxury, tech, sports, celebrity news, and motivation are now run almost entirely through automation. Some creators upload multiple videos every single day while spending only a few hours per week managing the process. Once a channel gets monetized through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, it can become a powerful source of recurring income. What makes this even more interesting is that finance content has become one of the highest-paying niches online. Advertisers in the United States pay premium CPM rates for finance viewers because banks, investment platforms, insurance companies, and credit card brands compete aggressively for attention. That means creators talking about credit scores, passive income, investing, taxes, side hustles, or retirement accounts often earn far more per view compared to entertainment channels. In many cases, a finance video with 50,000 views can generate more revenue than a viral entertainment video with several 100,000 views. Another massive trend in 2026 is AI freelancing. Americans are using tools like ChatGPT and image generators to offer services on freelance marketplaces. Some are writing resumes optimized for ATS hiring systems. Others are creating social media captions, ad copy, product descriptions, email campaigns, and blog articles for businesses. Graphic design services that once required years of experience can now be partially assisted with AI image generation tools. Small businesses love this because they save money, and freelancers love it because they can complete projects faster and scale their income. What's fascinating is how AI changed productivity itself. A freelancer who once handled 2 clients can now handle 10. Tasks that used to require 6 hours may now take 30 minutes. That creates a completely different financial equation. In the past, income growth depended mostly on working more hours. Now income growth often depends on learning how to use AI efficiently. Americans who understand automation are effectively multiplying their time, and in the online economy, time leverage is one of the most valuable assets in existence. Digital products have also exploded because of artificial intelligence. Americans are creating ebooks, online courses, templates, stock images, AI prompts, budgeting spreadsheets, meal plans, workout guides, and educational resources at scale. Many of these products are sold through platforms that automate delivery and payments. Once the product is uploaded, income can continue arriving for months or years with minimal maintenance. That's why passive income became such a huge topic in 2026. People are no longer just looking for jobs. They're looking for systems that can produce revenue even while they sleep. Some Americans are even combining AI with investing strategies. Investors use AI tools to analyze stock market trends, compare dividend portfolios, track economic data, and monitor company earnings reports. While AI does not guarantee investment success, it helps individuals process financial information faster than ever before. Retail investors, who once felt intimidated by Wall Street, now have access to tools that simplify financial research and portfolio analysis. Younger investors especially are using AI assistants to learn about Roth IRAs, 401k contributions, ETFs, dividend reinvestment, and long-term wealth building. Real estate investors are also entering the AI revolution. Property owners are using AI to generate rental listings, marketing campaigns, Airbnb descriptions, and customer communication systems. Some investors even use AI-powered analytics to identify high-demand housing markets and estimate cash flow opportunities. In many cases, AI helps reduce operational costs while increasing efficiency. For Americans trying to build passive income through real estate, automation is becoming a major competitive advantage. One of the most important financial lessons emerging from this AI era is the difference between consumers and creators. Most people use technology mainly for entertainment. They scroll endlessly through social media, watch videos for hours, and consume content without creating anything valuable. But the Americans building wealth with AI are approaching technology differently. They use the internet as a production tool instead of just a distraction. Every video, article, product, email list, or automated